guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be unboxing my little box for March, and it is actually a collaboration with Caudalie. So that means every product it is from them, and I received them in this beautiful cosmetic bag. This is so precious. I really like it. As you can see, my little box and Caudalie. So stick till the end of this video because I will be rating the products and I will show you how much all of the products actually are worth. So let's just jump right into this video. So the first product that I have, it's this vitamin C cream. I will be honest with you, I've never tried any Caudalie products before, and I'm really happy, you know, that I getting this chance to do it. So this one comes in 40 milliliters, and the price of every product I will be having here on the screen. So next product we get, it is a hyaluronic nourishing body lotion. So this one comes in 30 milliliters. Next we have an eye gel cream, and this is in 5 milliliters, and they say to apply it morning and evening to eye and lip contour as well. Now I wonder if this is like a full-size product or just you know, a tester. I will have to check that out, and I will leave a comment here on the screen. Next product comes like this in this beautiful little box, and this is what is that? Okay, so these are actually eye patches with vitamin C, and I like the fact, you know, that you can use those and then reuse the box. This is really nice. Okay, so the last product that I have in this cosmetic bag, it is actually a hairband. Comes like this in this beautiful green color. I like the fabric, it's very beautiful, very nice, and these are all of the products that I got. So I'm gonna give this box actually 5 out of 5 stars, because I've been always, you know, like very curious to try their products, and I find it very good that I got, you know, like a variety of them. I mean, I have like a body lotion, I have like a face cream, some eye patches, and you know, you have like everything you need to try out and see if it's actually something that it will work for you. And since I have a very sensitive skin, it's going to be, you know, quite good to see if I get any allergies from the products or not. Okay, so you guys, let me know in the comments below if you ever tried Caudalie products, and if you did, which one you love, and you know, if there's something that you will recommend me. And before you leave, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I do hope to see you on my next video. Bye.